Okay.
She's about to video
This is
me.
a invisible hem.
Yeah.
Tony is going to give me a tutorial on that, but he's going to charge me millions. 2 hours. And Elena,
I'm witness.
she's the witness so that I don't get shouted on. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh, and these are the settings. Hold on. So that's this is the foot.
The setting is stitch G, which is a blind hem stitch. Yeah. Like this here. And you put the presser foot G on it. Can you see what it looks like?
Yeah.
Now, the zigzag on top, the setting for zigzag on maximum, and you do a practice run first to see how much is catching. The folded fabric to be alongside the plastic guide there. Not under it or not away, because away like that is not going to catch anything. It's got to be running, pressing against the guide. Now, because in some areas it's only just catching very little, we bring this over to the right to allow us.
Oh, what happened?
This fabric here, which is not.
All
Look,
right,
and you do
scissors.
it again. Look, get a pair of scissors, I tell you. Just to see.
Oh, sorry.
You went without your glasses.
I did go with
So
that.
cut it a bit more, or what did you say?
No, the material. Cut the material.
Now,
Some people.
they don't listen.
Some people.
Oh, fuck, I've done it
Look,
again.
and again.
In the same place. Now, right side of the fabric down.
Okay.